Everyone thinks peas are just small, simple vegetables, something ordinary sitting quietly on your plate. But what if I told you these tiny green pods are part of a massive, high-speed operation worth billions, and one mistake in the process can destroy entire harvests in hours? Welcome back to Machines Visit. Here's something that might surprise you. By 2024, American farmers are expected to harvest an unbelievable 1.8 billion pounds of peas. Sounds impressive, but what's truly shocking is the intense race behind it. Because these peas aren't just grown, they're engineered, protected, and harvested with precision timing that leaves no room for error. In today's video, you're about to step inside a world most people never see. From endless green fields stretching across states like Washington, Wisconsin, Oregon, and Minnesota, to high-tech machines that harvest and process peas faster than ever before, this is not farming as you know it. This is a system driven by speed, technology, and pressure. And here's the twist. What looks calm and natural on the surface is actually a carefully controlled operation where timing decides everything. Because if peas are harvested even slightly too late, their quality drops instantly. Their sweetness fades. Their value declines. So every step matters. It all begins in early spring, when the soil finally warms to around 40 to 45 degrees, and the threat of frost disappears. That's when farmers move fast. There's no delay. The soil must be prepared perfectly. Using powerful disc harrows and rotary tillers, they break the ground, remove weeds, and create the ideal environment for growth. But even before planting, there's a hidden step most people don't know about. The seeds are treated with special nitrogen-fixing inoculants, tiny biological agents that help the plant produce its own nutrients while protecting it from diseases buried deep in the soil. It's a small step, but it changes everything. Then comes planting, and this is where precision takes over. Modern seed drills place each seed exactly 1 to 2 inches deep, spaced perfectly apart, with rows aligned at precise distances. It's not random, it's calculated. These machines can cover massive areas in a single day, laying the foundation for a harvest that will be measured in millions of pounds. But planting is only the beginning. Once the seeds sprout, the real challenge begins. Keeping them alive, healthy, and growing at the perfect rate. Farmers rely on advanced irrigation systems to maintain exact moisture levels, while fertilizers are distributed evenly using high-tech equipment. At the same time, sprayers move across the fields, applying protective treatments to defend against pests and diseases that could wipe out entire crops. It's a constant battle, and everything is controlled, because even a small imbalance can affect the final harvest. Within just 50 to 70 days, the peas are ready. But here's the critical moment. The harvest window is extremely short. Too early, and the peas are underdeveloped. Too late, and they lose their tenderness and flavor. And when millions of pounds are on the line, timing becomes everything. This is where modern harvesting machines take over. On large-scale farms, integrated pea harvesters don't just collect crop. They process it instantly. As the machines move through the fields, a front reel gathers the plants while high-speed rotating drums inside carefully separate the peas from their pods. It's fast, precise, and almost unbelievable to watch. The empty shells are crushed and returned to the soil, acting as natural compost, while the fresh peas are gently transported through conveyor systems into large storage bins. All of this happens in one continuous motion. No stops, no delays. As the sun rises over the fields, rows of these massive machines move in perfect alignment, creating a scene that feels almost unreal. The sound of engines, the movement of machinery, the smell of fresh peas. It's a moment where nature and technology collide. And yet, behind this calm rhythm lies a hidden pressure. Because once the peas are harvested, the clock starts ticking, and while the harvest may look complete on the surface, something quietly continues beneath your feet. The crushed pea shells left behind in the fields aren't waste. They're part of a hidden system, slowly breaking down and enriching the soil, restoring nutrients, and preparing the land for the next cycle. It's a silent process, but a powerful one. Because farming today isn't just about growing crops. It's about sustaining the future. And this is where things become even more interesting. Harvesting peas is no longer just manual labor. It's a carefully coordinated operation between human effort and advanced technology. Every machine, from simple pod pickers to high-speed harvesters, plays a precise role in meeting the growing demands of modern agriculture. And yet, despite all this automation, the human touch still matters. In some fields, farmers continue to harvest by hand, moving carefully through rows of plants, lifting branches, searching for perfectly plump pods. Each pod is picked with care, ensuring freshness while protecting the plant itself. It's slower, but more controlled. And once picked, there's no time to waste. The peas are immediately transported to processing facilities, where the next phase begins under strict hygiene conditions. Workers prepare themselves, wearing protective gear, ensuring every step meets food safety standards. The pods are inspected, trimmed, and sorted. Any that don't meet quality standards are removed instantly. Then the peas enter automated washing systems, where high-pressure water and advanced cleaning methods remove every trace of dirt and impurity. But this is just the beginning of a much larger transformation. As the peas arrive at the factory in massive quantities, they are unloaded into large hoppers, ready to be processed at incredible speeds. For peas still inside their pods, shelling is the first step. Machines quickly separate the peas, sending them onto conveyor belts where they pass through screening systems that remove stones, stems, and any remaining debris. Then comes one of the most critical stages, optical sorting. Advanced machines scan each pea individually, analyzing size, color, and quality with extreme precision. Only the best pass through. The rest are rejected without hesitation. And now, cleanliness becomes everything. The selected peas are washed again using water tanks, air bubbles, and powerful sprays that remove bacteria and contaminants. Some facilities even use cold water to preserve freshness. Then comes a crucial moment, blanching. The peas are briefly exposed to high temperatures, around 85 to 95 degrees Celsius, a step that kills bacteria and stops enzymes that could cause spoilage. But timing here is critical. Too long, and the peas lose texture. Too short, and they won't last. Immediately after, they are plunged into ice-cold water. This sudden shock locks in their bright green color, their crisp texture, and their natural sweetness. It's a small window of precision that determines the final quality. After this, another round of inspection begins. Machines and workers together remove any damaged or imperfect peas, ensuring only the highest quality continues forward. And then comes a moment that changes everything. Freezing. The peas are rapidly frozen at temperatures as low as minus 40 degrees. This process happens so quickly that each pea freezes individually, preserving freshness, nutrients, and flavor as if they were just picked. It's not just freezing, it's preservation at its finest. Once frozen, the peas move into packaging lines where machines measure, divide, and seal them into bags with incredible speed. Some are vacuum sealed, others packed with protective gases to extend shelf life even further. These bags are then boxed, labeled with production details, and prepared for shipment. But not all peas follow this path. Some are destined for canning. And while the process starts the same, it takes a different turn after blanching. The peas are packed into cans, submerged in a salted solution or preservative liquid, then sealed and sterilized under high heat to ensure safety and longevity. Once cooled, labeled, and packaged, they are ready to be distributed worldwide. And when you step back and look at this entire journey, from the moment a seed is planted to the instant a package reaches your hands, you realize something incredible. These tiny green peas are part of a massive, high-speed system driven by precision, timing, and innovation. What seems simple is anything but. So the next time you see a spoonful of peas on your plate, you might just see more than food. You'll see the story behind it. And if this journey surprised you, don't forget to share your thoughts, hit like, and subscribe, because there's always more happening behind the scenes than you think.